Guys, so today we have a 2004 Acura TSX, no start, has a bad alternator, also doing the last battery. For this job, I suggest a new battery, new alternator, and a new belt. But this is the new alternator. New alternator. Don't drop it. But here we are already started, as you can see. To make this, always take off the battery. This didn't have a battery, but make sure the negative terminal is disconnected. For this job, I recommend a 14 mil wrench. Yep, 14 mil wrench for you to get the tensioner belt. Make sure you take a picture of how the belt was or something, or you can Google it. But you get it right in the tensioner. You pull it towards the forward of the car. It'll loosen it up. You take the belts out, and honestly, I also highly recommend you remove this side of the fan to get to the bottom bolts better, because this also will be in your way. The AC compressor hose. I also removed this because it had nothing in it anyway, so I did not have to dump it. Get rid of the fan. That right there, I'm going to end up putting it back together. Also, you're going to need, well, not anymore, but you could also remove this. If you do the job without removing the fan, you can remove all this stuff and get the alternator out that way. Since the fan is out my way, I will pull out the alternator this way. Forgot to record this, but I lost daytime, and I just decided to just do it really quick. But the fan is a bolt here, 10 mil there. I suggest you just remove that, both of them on this. You don't necessarily have to, but it make your life a lot easier. 10 mil. Unscrew this. So I need twist this. Comes right out. I need to fill that up, but comes right out. Take off the fan, and I suggest you take the alternator out this way when the fan is already out, easier than disassembling all this out here and attempting to get it that way. But that is the new alternator from CarQuest. Got the new battery in. Let's see how she works. Starts right up. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and leave suggestions of any car repair you need help with, and any car, and I will try to upload more videos.